All right, let's do this, guys. Gonna enter a live trade here for you. Okay, it's time for me to get ready to short right here. I do not think that this will get higher. Histogram is not peaking up any higher than that. Okay, 5 waves are basically in already for the whole structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right here. And I really do believe that we're gonna end up breaking down. 3-minute chart right here. This doesn't look like it's gonna get higher on the 3-minute chart right here. 5-minute chart is starting to peak as well right here. I do not know if it's going to get higher than that. If it does, I'll be very, very surprised. Considering on the 3-minute chart, last 2 candles are very, very slim pickings right now, okay? Huge green candle right here, but I don't know if it's going to break above it, right? We got this major trend line resistance that just looks like it needs to be broken down. Yeah, like I'm just really excited to see how this is going to play out right here. I just can't see it coming down, guys. I'm sorry. Like, I'm gonna market execute some of this right here already, and I just want to see how this is gonna play out. Gonna get another 25 in here. Yeah, there's so many people just not down for it to go up right now. Okay, I don't want it to break above here either, to be quite honest. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this level 2 to get very, very, very bearish, and then I'm gonna be adding even more to it. Maybe I shouldn't even add more to it right now when you think about it, right? But if you also take a look at the 20-minute chart, like we're very, very bullish, guys, overall. This is just a small little scalp position, okay? The 3-minute chart, it's just a little scalp position that looks like it's going to break it down. Some guy just bought 25 right there. I might get another, I think I can get another 25. I'm playing really risky. And I'm basically going all in. But then again, it's my strategy for small accounts. And I'm used to the risk, and I can manage it very, very well as well. So it makes no sense for me not to be entering these type of scalp positions if I can absolutely manage my positions fine. Okay, so the volume is just fading away right now. Getting the first histogram tick down. Bam! This is what I'm looking for right here, gentlemen and ladies. That's the histogram right there that I'm looking for. Okay, the histogram is lower lows every single time. Very normal bearish divergence. With this type of normal bearish divergence, it just gives me confidence that we're probably going to end up ticking down. 3-minute chart as it keeps going. Okay, maybe not right now. I'm gonna cancel this right here for now. Okay, my confidence is fairly high right now, but at the same time, right, there's a lot of people trying to drive up the price, but I'm seeing these guys at 120 with a 28 count there. So with a 28 count, how could I even possibly believe for a moment that we're gonna break out of there? That 28 count to me, guys, is very symbolic of guys who are working in a team with hidden orders that probably will not let you drive up the price. In fact, we're probably filling up their short positions right now as we speak, okay? So we're just gonna be very, very patient and see how this is gonna dwindle off. Look at this, okay? Now it's at 88 right here. Our side's getting a little bit high right now, okay? Our side's getting very high, but you guys gotta make note of this resistance, right? Resistance is at 120, 190 right now. If we break out of there, I'll be very, very pleasantly surprised, okay? So now my mind is racing in my head thinking, oh, what's going on? Should I actually be taking this profit right here? Right? Should I be adding more to my position? What's going on? We're now in the 120 ranges, but I'm going to stick to my guns. I got my RR set up already, and we're getting massive rejection right here. Okay, we're getting guys. These guys are not playing around. These bears, man, they're not playing around. If you guys are looking at it, every time we get to a specific price point, we are just getting shot back down. Therefore, market execution. Gonna go with the crowd, guys. I'm not scared whatsoever to roll with the grain. Like in Japan, what they say is the hammer that sticks up gets pounded down, right? That's kind of our way of saying don't roll against the grain. So why the heck would I want to roll against the grain, guys? I don't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Fibonacci retracement of just this specific range right here. Okay, this specific range. I'm gonna target only 118. Okay, 118 right here, and that's gonna be my very conservative target. And this is gonna yield me an easy 300-400 American dollar day, which is kind of crazy when you think about it, right? Like the profits in trading is just so lucrative, and we're talking about day trading alone. Imagine the profit when you're holding a big amount long term, right? If you guys got into the bull market since 2017, man, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah. So anyways, short positions are all set in stone right now. RR is all set up. RR is pretty much this right here. I entered right around there. My conservative target's right here, guys, and I'm gonna go for a quick 1.2% scalp here that I think is very, very likely to happen. No, what just happened here? All right, So yeah, let's play it out, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's gonna be a really exciting day. Bitcoin is really not doing too much right now, except for being driven down. Right, every time we're getting past like 78, 75, these bears are slamming the market by putting huge orders and sell walls, specifically 100 at a time. Right, see this 100 right there? So now we're just gonna sit here, we're gonna chill, we're gonna wait, and we're gonna see how the bulls react to this very bearish pressure that I'm starting to see. There we go, ladies and gents. Here is the bearish divergence that we are looking for. The very last histogram peak is super low, and the RSI is completely giving it away on the 1 minute chart. Did I stutter? Did I stutter, guys? That's right, I said the 1 minute chart, okay? Yeah, I said the 1 minute chart, guys. I think that this is it right here, and I don't think we're gonna get higher than that. 120.99 is the resistance. And I really doubt that we're going to break above anything higher than that. Guys, it's going to take a while for us to break out of here, honestly. Like, I just can't see it smashing above here anytime soon. It's going to take a lot of time to break this, in my opinion. Like, I genuinely believe that we're going to hit this lower trend line soon. And I don't know why I know it, but I just got this huge hunch that people are just accumulating short positions on other exchanges, not just Bitfinex right now, and we're just gonna fall like probably, I don't know, 110-ish, 110 probably. Yeah. All right, guys, let's do some technical analysis. Philicon's in a short position now. I broke out right here and went long, and now I'm gonna short. Now let's justify why I'm in this short position and why I think I'm gonna be really right. First of all, zoom on Litecoin. Okay, zoom on Litecoin and let's get our bearings straight. Okay, this trend line has been here for a long time now, as we can see, right? Since May the 9th, which is literally 1 month. We have constantly hit this resistance many times. Now, what I don't like about this bullish run is the fact that if you look on a 3-minute chart, that's some nasty rejection. Okay, I don't know if you guys saw. But as soon as we hit the 120 ranges for Litecoin, I kid you not, that a guy, he literally put in like 2,000 Litecoin to slam the market, and probably the same guy ended up smashing a few on many other exchanges as well. And it was just not scary. It was just not cool the way I saw it. And I'm correlating it to Bitcoin, okay? Correlating it to Bitcoin right now, where during that time that it happened, Bitcoin surged up, you know, from 78.70 to 79.20, which is $50. But what did Litecoin do? Negatively correlated to it. That's not really good in my opinion, right? So I don't think that we're going to break above this resistance anytime soon for Litecoin. In fact, I think Litecoin's going to hit the bottom end of this, okay? I think the Litecoin's going to hit the bottom end of this, like around the 110 ranges right now. And yeah. So if you guys take a look at my profit or whatever right now already, like I'm doing pretty good. I'm already up, you know, 0.5 plus 0.7% total. It's going to be another 150 American dollar trade. Going to finish off at 300 American for the day. And bam! I'm going to be done. All right, let's see what's going to happen here, guys. Look at this. Look at this. There was 2,000 LTC over here that the bears were actually trying to hold up. Oh my goodness. Look at this level 2. It is absolutely going crazy right now. The bears are just driving it home. The guy who decides to put up the 2,000 wall decides to move it to 117.72. The bears are still going full load. Is Philicon going to close this position? It is going to be one of the easiest trades that I have made in a long time. Come on, give me the money, guys. I just want the money right now. Come on, Philicon's position is closing up right now. This guy's creating that temporary wall, so not many people are wanting to sell. But the people who are smart know that this is just a temporary wall that he's trying to artificially inflate the market to fill up his short position. Philicon's just coming up right here. Oh my God, is he gonna fill up this position right here? It looks like it's gonna be a very, very juicy trade. Philicon comes up in just about 10 seconds. His position's gonna get filled, and bam! Bam, guys, another $150 added to the books today, guys. That's freaking awesome. We're at 310 USD to CAD today. Another easy 410 Canadian dollars today for just doing good technical analysis. Woo! You guys like that adrenaline, man? That's just pure adrenaline from trading, guys. Let's take this profit right here in front of you for making a really good trade. Why did I short it, guys? I shorted it because of level 2. Level 2 is what you need to take a look at. My next course, mini course number 4, 15 bucks, guys. Cheap as fuck. And that's what I specialize in. Level 2 trading. So be sure you guys are interested in it, man. That's all you need to learn to be a really good trader over time, in my opinion, combined with technical analysis. So let's take this trade in front of you guys. But guys, I went short on the breakout. I went long on the rejection. And bam! Woo! Feels good.